How to set only admin can send messages in WhatsApp group. First of all, launch WhatsApp app on your device. Make sure to log in and sign into your WhatsApp. Now, on this chat section, you need to locate the particular group chat that you have made on WhatsApp. Make sure that you are the group admin, then only you will be able to make the changes and set only admin can send messages in WhatsApp group. Now tap three dots at top right corner of the screen and choose Group Info at top of the screen. Now on the section, scroll down and locate Group Permissions. Tap on it. And before making any changes, first of all tap Edit Group Admins and you need to be the group admin for this group. After that, you need to make sure to toggle the button on as members can easily edit group settings, send messages and add other members. But when you toggle the button on, then the other members won't be able to send messages on this group chat. So now you have successfully set only admin can send messages in WhatsApp group. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.